NASA's X-59 Quest quiet supersonic technology has officially rolled out from Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works in Palmdale, California, the first major milestone toward its upcoming flight tests. What just happened? Rollout ceremony. On January 12, 2024, the aircraft was revealed with a dramatic curtain drop and public broadcast by NASA TV, marking the completion of its assembly phase. Ground milestone. In mid-July 2025, the X-59 completed low-speed taxi tests at Plant 42, successfully testing steering, braking, and ground handling, the first test drive of the aircraft. Why it matters. The X-59 Quest aims to cruise at Mach 1 for approximately 925 miles per hour at approximately 55,000 feet, generating a quiet thump approximately 75 dB instead of a disruptive sonic boom. This cutting-edge design could pave the way for supersonic passenger flights over land, breaking a decades-old ban if regulatory bodies approve based on gathered noise data. What's next on the roadmap? Integrated ground tests include engine run checks. The X-59 fired its F-100G engine in late 2024 and ran afterburner testing successfully. 2. Taxi testing, currently underway and successfully completed. 3. First flight, expected later in 2025, pending successful ground test completion. 4. Community overflights, scheduled around 2026 to 2027, where public response to the quiet sonic thumps will inform FAA and ICAO rulemaking. The 1059 builds upon decades of aerospace research like the shaped sonic boom demonstrator and introduces advanced shaping and onboard sensors to minimize boom noise. Its futuristic design includes a long, pointed fuselage and top-mounted engine to reduce shock waves, a pilot's cockpit featuring external cameras instead of a forward window. NASA will gather perceptual data from communities below to show regulators that overland supersonic travel is possible without disrupting daily life. Why it's exciting. Could reopen supersonic passenger travel post-Concorde without the boom noise that grounded it. Drastically reduce travel times, cutting NYC-London in half. Marks a potential turning point in regulatory policy on supersonic flight.